Kerja lang jong borok kiken hon hapok ke MDA ke belong hak si barjan miet apa imut hotel ke belane ku masiteng ngenta kalau sutung no da ke kor komiti ba kentup sangut gid khot ya kani komiti on yalam do ba perston tensong deputy chief minister kiwi pa gid khot kinlong ba med ba lingdo nak regional democratic alliance UDP bat ke HSPDP ba bentai do lingdo nak UPF PDF khnam NCP bat independent bat uba ALHEC nak BJP Habakran bat klap thai khubor umentri rang ba ubolong ru noilam ke MDA ukon rat sangma ulong ba ke jelang kelathung de ke core committee banwat eubriu banlong kumu kertong speaker ke assembly ulai thuru ba ke jet speaker kan long hakani ke dorbar ke banwan ke bersedang nadu kan du tarik nailur bat ya katarik onsarai de ke business advisory committee habakali ke ai ke daw ba hadu menta kimla ban poi se ke jinge jingmut alo kertong speaker ukon rat ulong ba kani ke de ke sarkar syndrome bat hak sarkar syndrome don company buram lang iwe happening ki kenhon maro.
The election of the speaker will be held in this coming session. Number two, we have decided to form a small core committee comprising of 4 members, where the convener of this committee will be the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Preston Tinsong. The members of this committee will include from the RPA, Mr. Metba Lingdo, and from the UPF, Mr. Bantidor Lingdo, and from the BJP, Mr. ALHEC. This 4-member committee has been asked to come out with a consensus name, which then will be finalized on the 4th of September. At the same time, we have also decided as MDA that we will be having a unanimous and a consensus candidate, and whatever the case may be, we will all come together and we will put up one candidate and support one candidate. And based on that decision of having consensus candidate, this committee has been formed to propose and bring out a name. Apart from that, we are very happy also today to welcome Mr. Edelbert Nongrum to the MDA. He has supported and joined the UPF coalition, the UPF alliance that they have formed, and which means the formal induction into the MDA, and it's increased the strength of the MDA from 39 to 40 now, and I take this opportunity to welcome him to the MDA. It's not fair on any one of us to simply be just taken for granted. So I think in the spirit of ensuring that we respect the identity of each political party and the alliances, yet have the unanimity and the magnanimity to have a consensus candidate, this committee has been formed. And I'm sure that this committee, after detailed deliberation and discussion with all, will come out with a unanimous name. The election to the speaker is a post where we all have to work together. It's all the 40 members of the MDA will be voting. And I think, as I said, as a sign of respect and ensuring that everybody's identity is always respected, I think it's important that we take everybody's view. So that is what this whole exercise is about, to ensure that the unanimity remains among the party and there's a consensus and we take a decision together.
La priang sobha yo MLA kanot Shillong Haswa banwai atat kajelang jong ka MDA kawal long hapay mut hotel. Uba adil bat abakran bat kilat patai kubor ulong ba ka jing pinyo jung musok UPF kalong banyo ka jing trelang ki MLA ka UPF bandawa nak sarkar ban perkelan no ka state reservation policy ka banadu basdang omsyam lapan ki bat omsyam lapan kelas satya.
Jing siangam dakwa ban bu condition mo ndai tamba ngabu pat yakani ka wi ka kandon dak wangawan ban penyesra wa UPF kalau ban pengkhanya UPF bat kumju ban pengkhanya ka government ti ningit scam hi ba dak jing pengkhanya ni la ya ban achieve ya ta ka jing angnut ko jing kam tang development hi bubun ki issue pasat tang tampu state ngit begini parlok ki kelon ban po UPF ni tai lang rekat antara common goal mo common cause jong ka cek bandui bro wi kham tam ka state ti kajing terwahi kadi katahi markawi ki isu ba sa ateng mata ka state reservation policy ngam ko ban kren ni ka illegalities jong ka past government mo na makani government mata kam non banta ba kata dari ngasim pada ni ko galanti ban penyesot mo PF ban itay lang dekat government ban pen ko ngo na ka banta ban constitute ban review ban relook ban revisit ha wadi ba ni ka kani ka subject reservation policy markani ka kata khamtam academic ngamong ka 40% job job leki ka bang kwa hin na kaliang jong bang is ka mangilang ba kum jab revi kamni bonon ra je pher jab revi preng garo khasi jantiang ngilong kawai kan kani ka long na ka panta ka upliftment na ka panta jungi kum committee mo ti ka dikata ka nongrim ka ba awan penisno dadi bat ngano ka jingit ka baskem khamtam na kaliang jong ka UPF perlu lai ka jing kular ba mini tai lang reka tengit skam kiki pa penyabe